It's been far too long.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Yo, greetings family. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel. It's been far too long. So let's go ahead and get into this, man. Thank you for tuning in first and foremost. It's been a while, 2021. I've been focused on other endeavors. And I was like, I got to get back to building with my people on here. All right. So, typically I'm talking about business credit, starting a business, and I go through all the steps. And then I give you some more information in the course I put together. If you want to go do that, man, that's still available. I do have to go make some updates. But look, the principles are still the same. Some of the vendors and stuff fluctuate from time to time. All right, that's very important. But what I want to start focusing on more is this new money matrix. OK, what's been going on right in front of our faces, and millionaires and thousandaires and people been changing their lives out here because they understand that this is a new money matrix that we in when we're dealing with the world of digital currencies, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, which is art pretty much based on and sold off in crypto. OK, we're dealing with virtual realities. This is sometimes. So in my opinion, this when the world slowed down wasn't just about, we know what I'm saying, the video 19 game. It wasn't just about that. All right, it was more or less about economics as well. Okay, there's a lot of moving pieces, so don't sleep right now. It's still you can still get in here and make some money, because that's what we really gonna be talking about. Things from XRP to Bitcoin, Ethereum, but we're gonna get into more other stuff. I just want to talk about stuff right now that you may be familiar with. And the more you get acclimated to this, you can move and go do some other things. Okay, so when it comes to this, like right now, Bitcoin is at 54,000. But guess where it was at? Like March or so, when the world shut down, it dropped down to like under $4,000. Now, if you could tell yourself, man, this might be the best time to get in on Bitcoin, because it was up around 10,000. Some people thought that was too high. So how could something have so quick of a bounce from 4,000 up to 60,000 in less than a year's time? Would you make that investment? Most of us say in hindsight, yes, but at the time it did bounce. No, a lot of us weren't, into that. Same thing with XRP, Ripple, right? I'm not putting any stock in this because the market of XRP is not the best. It's been choppy. It's been low typically if you go back and look at it. But at one point in time, it was picking up some more traction. And the SEC came out and had some allegations and wanted to sue them for certain things. And they removed XRP from a lot of the wallets and markets, and made it to it wasn't accessible to people who wasn't that savvy and knew how to navigate when it comes to this cryptocurrency space. So now, some news came out that, that stuff is not standing. And guess what XRP has been doing? It's been boosting back up. But I said in a couple of videos before, I feel like it's something funny going on where it might come down for a little bit, but that's the best time to buy. So the people in the private, whatever they was doing that took it off the markets, they knew to put their money in there so it can boost it up. Okay, so right now it's about $1, 50 cents or so. And beforehand, it was around, it shot up to almost $2. So imagine getting in something at 40 cents and 50 cents. Okay, you throw 100 in there, you multiply it 2 or 3 times, or throw 1,000 2 or 3 times, 5,000 2 or 3 times. Okay, and it's something similar aspect to Doge or Doggy Coin, which is different because it's not really tied to anything. It's based off a meme, but it goes to show you how strong our belief in our mind is when it comes to what money actually is. What is money anyway, if we want to break that down? But it's whatever we deem as valuable, you know what I'm saying, as far as being able to, trade, purchase stuff, whatever. Let's talk about stuff like that. The reason that's popular because, one, it's a meme. It was Elon Musk tweeting about it, but also it's not worth $50,000. You see what I'm saying? When you have coins that are under $1, it's easier for you to purchase a whole coin, and it's easier for that money to potentially multiply. Now, getting one Bitcoin is a little harder or more challenging to do because a lot of people don't have $50,000 sitting around, but they may have 200. You know, remember last year when Ethereum was $250? Now today, Ethereum is over $2,700. So those are the things that we need to pay attention to, because what happens, this market moves up and it makes an all-time high, and then it may come back down and retest a little bit and give you a entry to ride that wave up, or it may come down lower, but fluctuates. But over time, a lot of these grow. And I'm not giving you any financial advice. My main purpose for beginning to make these videos is to help people understand and get comfortable, provide my insight, so you can make the best decisions for yourself, so you don't miss this next wave. All right. So with that being said, family, look, I'm out, but expect to see more videos from me, and we will be diving into these topics. Okay, if y'all still want me to talk about business credit stuff, yeah, that's fine. I may allocate a day for that, but I think it's very, very important out here that we utilize these sources and these tools to help us make some money and do what we got to do out here while this world is changing in front of us. So be very, very mindful of the digital realm, the virtual reality realm, as well as, you know, physical things like land and food and stuff like that. But I'll be coming to you soon, family. It's been far too long, but I'm back. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to talk about this new money matrix. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?